What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So you guys are coming to work with me again today. I have two clients. My first client, we're doing a full set, but y'all, she is so freaking picky about her nails. So I'm a little bit scared because she designed like the full sets herself and then basically like put them together and then asked me to replicate it. So it's kind of nerve-wracking because she's very specific and you know she knows what she wants. And then my second client, we're doing her toes and her nails, but her toes we're just doing a dry pedicure, so just painting, that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only.
Okay, y'all, so my first client just got here. I'm about to go get her now, and then we're gonna get started.
I'm sure about all the other colors.
Okay,
but
just
those,
the pinkies.
Yeah. The pinky and like the thumb on this hand.
Okay. Oh, with the green, like the green polish? Okay. All right.
Hopefully it hurry up and sends.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll send at some point. I mean, I don't need to write exact now.
Yeah.
So. Is there something you want to watch or like
No.
something you've been watching? What kind of shows do you like?
Well, right now I'm rewatching the Fosters.
Oh, okay. So you like dramas.
Yeah.
Did you watch Gossip Girl?
I just finished it, and so I had nothing else to watch, so I rewatched the Fosters.
Oh my gosh. Gossip Girl, like I literally watched that, I think like, I don't even know, like 8 times. Literally.
I feel like it kind of, like, not that it left on a cliffhanger, but I feel like it kind of did just a little bit.
Yeah, me too.
Like, I feel like they should have showed the other person. The other gossip person.
They should have, because it definitely was not only...
Why do you dress like that?
Did you watch this? Inventing Anna?
Like that.
No, I don't think I've ever heard of it.
Guess we'll see. Okay.
I don't know why. Like, I'm so nervous because I've never had stilettos, but I'm
I know.
excited to try them.
Yes. I know, stilettos, they look so cute. I love them. But, like, they're just not practical for me because, like, I do nails and stuff. But some girls, they get them all the time.
I was literally doing my sister's hair yesterday. She wanted those little, like, tinsel things in her hair.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, so I just finished her set and the total was $125, but she paid $115 because I had $10 off for all of January. So yeah, we got the set done. She liked how it turned out, thank goodness, because there was a lot of collaboration going on for that set. But it got done, so that's good. Yeah, so now I'm just waiting for my second client. She should be here in a few minutes. All right, y'all, my client just got here, so I'm about to go grab her, and then we're gonna get started with her set. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, we're about to get started with her set. All right, y'all, I'm exhausted. I just finished my last client. It was quick. Her total I think was 25, 50, 67, 95 in total, but she had already paid 50 ahead of her appointment, so she gave me 25 or 30 today because she gave me a tip. But yeah, so I'm all done. Thanks for spending the day with me, guys. See you next time. Bye.